Welcome! If you want more easy dialogues like this, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Hello, I would like to order something to eat. Can I place my order here?
Hello. Yes, of course, you can order here. What would you like to have?
I would like a hamburger menu, please, with fries. Is that possible?
Oui, c'est possible. Préférez-vous un menu petit, moyen ou grand? Toutes les tailles sont disponibles.
I will take a medium menu. That's enough for me. Thank you.
Very well. And for the drink, what would you like? We have cola, iced tea, water, and orange juice.
I will take a cola. No ice, please. Thank you very much.
All right, one cola with no ice. Would you like to add a dessert? We have ice cream, a cookie, and a pie.
No, thank you. No dessert for today. I prefer just the menu. That will be enough for me.
All right, would you like to eat here or take your order to go?
I will take it to go, please. I have a bit of driving to do, so a takeout bag will be perfect.
Very well, your order will be ready in a few minutes. I will call you when it's ready.
Thank you very much. Can you tell me the price, please? I didn't look at the menu.
The total is €9.50. You can pay by card or with cash. Both are accepted.
I will pay by card. That's easier for me. Thank you.
Perfect. You can insert your card here and enter your code.
There you go. It's done. Did you receive the payment? Is everything okay?
Yes, everything is perfect. Your order is coming right away. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Have a nice day, and thanks again for your help.